All right, guys, I am more than just a little bit excited because I just got myself one of the craziest scooters ever made, and it is right there under that cover. But before I unveil it, let me just set the scene. Now let's face it, in the world of old school cool 50cc scooters, it's got to be Yamaha or Honda that is the cream of the crop. So which brand is better? Is it Yamaha or is it Honda? And that is an argument that is going to span the ages. For example, Dio versus Zuma, Elite versus Jog. But I think we can all agree, out of the two brands, Honda definitely makes the more wacky scooter. All right, so I give you guys the Honda Ruckus, the Honda Beat, the Honda Mantra, the Honda Squash, the Honda Gyro, the Honda Stream, and even the Honda Motocompo. If you think I've left a more wacky scooter off the list, please leave a comment. But I promise you, there is no wackier scooter that Honda has ever made than what's under that cover. This here is the Honda Zook. Check this guy out. So this scooter, in my opinion, is the dumbest scooter that has ever been made. And that is why I think it's so cool. It is so impractical, I can't believe Honda ever produced it. And I guess the public thought so too, because after only 1 year, Honda ceased it from production. Owning one of these scooters has been really high on my priority list. And you can imagine my surprise when this guy popped up on Marketplace. I never thought I'd ever see one of these scooters, let alone have the opportunity to buy one. I'd always planned a trip to Japan and stuff one in my suitcase to bring it back home to Australia with me. All right, so there's no starting this scooter. It is obviously in really poor shape. It's missing parts, it has no keys, the transmission is rusted shut, just to name a few of the issues. That's what I know about it. But that should be no surprise for those that have been watching this channel for a long time. It's kind of the theme. I buy rusty, old, destroyed shitbox scooters, I fix them up, I restore them, and sometimes I even modify them. Now, if you want to see me build this scooter in upcoming episodes, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you could take the time to like the videos and leave a comment, it would push them out to a wider audience and help the channel grow. It would be greatly appreciated. Till the next episode, I'll see you then. Cheers.